हेलो एंड वेलकम टू येट अनदर वीडियो। दिस इज़ योर चैनल शाश्वत.पावरलिफ्ट और मैं हूं शाश्वत वर्मा। आज मैं आपके सामने फिर से आया हूं एक नया वीडियो, एक नया वर्कआउट रूटीन लेके। आज हम करेंगे कार्डियो प्लस कोर का कॉम्बिनेशन। दिस विल बी 20 to 30 मिनट्स ऑफ रूटीन और दिस शुड हेल्प यू बर्न मोर देन 500-600 कैलोरीज। कोई भी ये वर्कआउट कर सकता है। दिस वर्कआउट इज़ फॉर एवरीबडी। ये 20 मिनट 30 मिनट एट मैक्स, उससे ज़्यादा का वर्कआउट नहीं है, लेकिन पूरा वर्कआउट करना है। आप आराम से करिए, पूरा वर्कआउट करिए और पूरा एंजॉय करिए। रूटीन आपको ये साइड में दिख रहा है, ये पूरा रूटीन है हमारा। इसमें ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइजेज नहीं है। कार्डियो के लिए सिर्फ बर्पीज एंड जंपिंग जैक्स हैं, जिसको हम बार बार रिपीट करेंगे 4 times 4 सेट्स में। और इन बिटवीन ऑल ऑफ दोज बर्पीज एंड जंपिंग जैक्स हम करेंगे कोर, बनाएंगे 6 पैक एब्स। So let's do it. One thing to remember before doing any workout is that you should do enough of warm up and a bit of stretching and mobility. और वार्म अप में आप जंपिंग जैक्स कर सकते हैं, आप स्पॉट रनिंग कर सकते हैं, आप हाई नीज खड़े खड़े कर सकते हैं, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं जिससे थोड़ा सा आपकी बॉडी गर्म होए। क्योंकि मैं आपके साथ आज पूरा 20 मिनट स्पेंड करने वाला हूँ, आपके साथ में पूरा रूटीन करूँगा, बीच में आधा नहीं छोड़ूंगा। जहाँ पे 10 बर्पीज़ है मैं 10 बर्पीज़ करूँगा, जहाँ पे 50 क्रंचेज हैं आई विल बी डूइंग 50 क्रंचेज विद यू गाइज। So guys, before we start, do like, share and subscribe to the channel because your support and love is very much needed for us to grow and to bring new content, new workouts and new gyan on different topics. So do like, share and subscribe. And here we go with our workout of the day. Are you ready for round 1? 10 burpees, 30 jumping jacks and 10 burpees again. Let's do it. Come on. शुरू हो जाओ। 1 2 3 30 jumping jacks. चलो, come on. 1 2 10 more burpees, फिर 30 सेकेंड्स का ब्रेक, फिर कंटिन्यू करेंगे आगे। चलो 10 burpees। Nice. Cardio for this round is done. Let's continue with the core. Let's build some abs. Starting with 1 minute plank. Chalo. Get back in position. Start your timers and count for a minute. Next is 30 mountain climbers. Chalo, let's do it. Come on. 1 2 Nice. Chalo, come on, non-stop. Next is side plank. We have to do it for both the sides, left and right both. It's just 30 seconds each side. Come on. Come on, side change. Next side. 30 climbers once more. Next is side dips with planks, side planks. Check this position and now we have to dip our hips and then up 30 times each side. Come on. One, 2, 3. We're almost done with this round. Next is 30 mountain climbers. Come on, show some energy. Let's do it. Next is skis. 30 skis, 15 each side. Chalo, let's do it. Skis. This is the position. You have to do it faster. And the last one in this round, 30 climbers once more. Come on, let's do it. That's it. Now take 2 minutes break, drink some water, freshen up. We'll see you in 2 minutes again. It's time for round 2. 10 burpees, 30 jacks, 10 burpees again. Come on, let's do it. शुरू हो जाओ. 1, 2, 3, 30 jumping jacks. चलो, come on. 1, 2, 10 more burpees, फिर 30 seconds का ब्रेक, फिर कंटिन्यू करेंगे आगे. चलो, 10 burpees. You guys are doing good. We started the round 2. We're done with the cardio. Now it's time for core. Let me adjust the camera and let's start with the core section. Chalo, let's do 30 crunches. Don't put your head or don't put your arms on the head. Your arms should be sideways and don't pull your head and your neck by your arms. Okay, come on, let's do it. 1. Alright, next is scissor kicks. Hold yourself in V position and then cross your legs. Come on, 1. Nice. Next is table crunches. थोड़ा सा पीछे हो. You have to hold your legs like this and do simple crunches. 30 counts. Let's do scissor kicks once more. Next is vipers. 15 each side. Keep your arms or palms under your butts, your legs up, and then rotate sideways. Nice. Next up, scissors once more. Next one, reverse crunches, 30 counts. Now reverse crunches are very simple. You have to have your palms under your butt and you have to lift your toes upwards. Now the thing to remember is that you don't have to go back. You have to keep your legs and the toes 90 degrees from the ground. Okay, come on, let's do it. And we are done.
Next up, scissor kicks.
Scissors. And we are done with round 2. Take 2 minutes break, drink some water, freshen up. We'll start with round number 3. उधर देख के बोलो. 3. It's time for round number 3. 10 burpees, 30 jumping jacks, and 10 burpees once more. Let's do it. Come on. Chal Agra, start. We're done with the first 10. It's time for the jumping jacks. Chalo Agra, let's do it. Jumping jacks. And the last 10 burpees for this round. You have to do 10. Do it slow, but you have to do 10. Chalo, let's do it. Come on. We're done with the cardio. It's time for the core. Let's make some abs again. Next up, Russian twist, 60 count, 30 each side. Chalo, let's do it. Next up, jump squats, 30 counts. Chalo, let's do it. Next up, reverse crunches, 30 counts. Oh, next up, 30 jump squats. Let's do it. Alright people, next movement in this round is the sit-ups. We have to lift our legs and the arms at the same time. Remember, we have to do 30 counts. It doesn't matter if you do it 30 at once or if you take breaks and then do 30, but we have to do 30. Alright, let's do it. The second last movement in this round, it's jumping jacks, right? Chalo, come here and let's do jumping jacks. Do you want to hold my hand? Chalo. 1, 2, 3, start. And the last one in this round is table crunches. 30 table crunches. Chalo, let's do it. Come on people. Superb. And we are done with 3 rounds. You guys did superb. It was a wonderful set. And we are just left with the last bonus round, that is 10 burpees, 30 jacks and 10 more burpees. Come on, take 2 minutes, drink some water, freshen up, and let's start again in 2 minutes. You did great guys, and this concludes our routine and our workout for the day. You guys did great. We are becoming stronger day by day. We must have burned more than 600-700 calories in this round, and we did somewhere around 20-25 minutes. I hope you liked today's workout. You felt great, you felt energetic. We'll be back again with another round, another routine next time. And if you like the video,
so subscribe our channel and click the bell button. See you next time.
thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.